Impatience forces rushed decisions, often leading to avoidable errors and unnecessary stress. It prioritizes immediate, fleeting gratification over lasting, meaningful achievement, sacrificing long-term potential for short-term haste. This relentless urgency creates a cycle of frustration, undermining both personal peace and professional progress. Mr. Ashmufareh and his technology teams are giving all founders and affiliates the vast skills and technology knowledge that should make all of those who have been on this journey utter sighs of relief. Why? Because they will not be rushed into making decisions about his company based on pure speculation and impatience. They don't speculate, they innovate. They will not be rushed by making decisions based on other people's feelings and speculations. Speculation is the enemy of patience, as it trades certainty for a gamble on the unknown. It encourages acting on incomplete information or fear of missing out, bypassing the diligent waiting that true value requires. This impulsive action often locks one into a poor path, directly fighting against the steady, compounding rewards that patience cultivates. Without patience, one might abandon a promising endeavor right before a breakthrough, sabotaging their own success. This impulsive action can sever relationships, terminate projects, and liquidate investments precisely when holding steady would have yielded magnificent returns. The tragedy is that the greatest rewards are often found just beyond the point where impatience demands to give up. Impatience and speculation are the twin enemies of lasting success. Impatience pushes for quick, often poorly considered wins, while speculation encourages risky gambles without a solid foundation. Both strategies bypass the necessary work that genuine achievement requires. True success is built through consistent, deliberate effort and thoughtful planning. It requires the discipline to master fundamentals and the resilience to endure gradual progress. Avoiding the lure of shortcuts ensures your accomplishments are built on stable ground. By cultivating patience and basing decisions on research and analysis, Mr.Mufareh and his technology teams make steady, sustainable progress. This disciplined approach allows them to build real value and weather inevitable market fluctuations. Ultimately, rejecting impulsiveness is what separates enduring success from fleeting pipe dreams. Mr.Mufareh and your technology teams, please take all the time you need to make the vehicle you are using become what you have envisioned. Thank you for your patience.